Hi everyone, what's up my dear students? A very good morning to everyone present here. Well, I'm seeing that most of you have come very early and yet it's a very good thing because I actually get some motivation out of it. Well, my dear students, I just want to ensure that how all of you are. Are you safe at your home? Are you fine? Okay. So good morning Sanskriti, good morning Sujay, good morning Raj, good morning Chandru, a very good morning to everyone. Hi Sai Chandra, good morning. Hi Amit Sharma, a very good morning to everyone present here. And I believe that you are prepared for today's session. Well, in advance only I told you that today we are going to discuss which chapter? We are going to discuss general principle and processes of isolation of elements. I believe that most of you have studied this particular chapter in a nice manner and you all are ready and steady to just go with the question and answer things which we are going to discuss over here. Yes, Sanskriti, it's a metallurgy only. So metallurgy you can say, or you can say general principles and processes of isolation of elements. Clear, dear students? So before I just start the session, I just want to request you all that if someone known to you is absent for this particular session, just make them wake up, tap them on their shoulders and just say them that the session has started and join with the Rakhi ma'am. Clear? So my dear students, I just want to know the marks you scored for the previous chapter, and I just want to know how much you scored in your mock test. Well, since I always tell you that mock test is really very essential part of the live sessions which I take over here. Shrikar is saying that he scored 35 marks in the mock. Chandru is saying that he scored 36. Somrik 36. Okay. Well, Sanskriti, what are your marks? Sai Chandra is saying he scored 35 marks. Okay. Pavar Satyanarayana is saying 31. Sanskriti scored 40. Okay, good. Keep it up. Really good. Dilip is saying he scored 28. Shreya is saying 40 marks. Okay, my dear students, really very good that you have scored very nice marks in your mock test. Backup is saying he scored 27 marks. Krishnaveni has said 38 marks. Okay, my dear students, really well done. You all are improving. You're doing work hard. It's been actually seen in your mock test results. Okay, so my dear students, now I'm moving on to the session part. That means the question and answer session, wherein I'll be taking few important questions from this particular chapter. Clear, dear students? Somrik is saying that 75 of your students are watching and 18 likes have already been made. So yes, I would in advance only I'm just saying you that if you like the session, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And yes, again mock test. You have to attempt the mock test after the session gets over. See, if I just see from JEE and NEET point of view, this particular chapter, straight away question comes from this particular chapter, and this chapter is really very easy. It's a theoretical chapter, so you have to actually memorize it a lot. Okay, moreover you have to solve many questions from this particular chapter in order to score full out of full marks, because JEE asks straight away question as well as NEET asks straight away question from this particular chapter. So you should be thorough with each and everything being taught in this particular chapter. Okay, dear students, so now without delaying much, I am ready for the question and answer discussion, and here is the first question of the session in front of your screen. The first question is, Hall-Herold's process is given by. Three options are given, I would say 4 options are given to you, and you have to tell me the correct option. Okay. Ma'am, in mock test there are similar options for the question. Ashrit Shikhar said. Ashrit, I'll just see to it, don't worry. So most of you have given C as the right answer. Each and every one of you are giving me C as the right answer. So yes, my dear student, C is the right answer for this particular question. So what is actually Hall-Herold's process? See, I would say it is a major industrial process for smelting aluminium. Moreover, this hot Herold's process involves dissolving aluminium oxide in molten cryolite. And why we actually mix it with cryolite? Just to lower the melting point of the matrix and brings conductivity. Clear? So I would say that in the metallurgy of aluminium, purified Al2O3 is mixed with cryolite. Okay, so purified Al2O3 is been mixed with cryolite Na3Al(F6). This is cryolite. Clear, dear students? Now over here CaF2, it actually lowers the melting point of the mixture and brings conductivity. Clear, dear students? Am I clear to each and everyone? So in hot Herold's process, basically we obtain aluminium, and the major reaction is twice of Al2O3 plus thrice of carbon, giving us 4 aluminium plus thrice of CO2. Option number C is the correct option. Most of you, I would say all of you, have given me the right answer. Keep it up, dear students. Well done. Well, I would say Somrik was the first one to give me the right answer. Then Sumati, then Saptarishi has also given me the right answer. So these were the three first ones to give me the right answer. Thank you for the appreciation, Prathiti. Thank you so much. So my dear students, I believe I did not to explain much for this particular question. So I'm moving straight away to the next question, the second question of the session. Match the ores, column A with the metals, column B. It's very simple, easy. For this particular question, you all need to know the formulas of the ores. And if you know the formulas of the ore, you will get the right answer. So can you tell me? Yes, CaF2 feldspar has been added. Okay, dear students, Sanskriti has said, Parth, not to worry, this chapter is very easy, so if you are late, need not to worry about it. Sanskriti has said, ma'am, option number C is the right answer. Sai Chandra has said, ma'am, option number C. Chandru has also said C. Brautati has said D. Sai Shekhar has said, ma'am, D. Shreya is saying C. Deepa Joshi is saying C. Rajvardhan is saying C. Dilip Ratha is saying C. So most of you have opted the option number C, and I would say yes, option number C is the right answer. So my dear students, for this chapter you are not taking much time in answering the question. It actually means that you have studied in advance this particular chapter and the concepts are thorough with all of you. Yes, Hardik, Ayush, Harsha, you are all of you have given me the right answer over here. Clear? So let me tell you the formulas for the ore first of all. So if I talk about siderite ore, so the formula of siderite ore is FeCO3. Clear? If I talk about kaolinite ore, the formula of it is Al2Si2O5OH4. Clear? Talking about malachite, it's a very famous ore, malachite green. It's an ore of copper. So the formula would be CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. If I talk about calamine, it is also one of the famous ore of zinc, whose formula is ZnCO3. So if you will match each and everything, siderite, in siderite ore, the metal which is there, it is iron. So first will go with C. Okay. Then talking about kaolinite, it is having aluminium in it. So second would be D. If I talk about malachite green, obviously copper, that means B. Talking about calamine, it actually contains the metal zinc. So first goes with C, second goes with D, third goes with the B, and fourth goes with A. Option number C is the right answer. Most of you have given the right ansur. Ashutosh says, I didn't receive the notification regularly. Ashutosh, you might actually may not get the notification. I really don't know, because each and every student over here gets the notification regularly. But for you, I just want to tell you one thing, that these sessions are on regular basis. For chemistry, 11 a.m. sharp in the morning, okay, and for mathematics, 7 p.m. in the evening. So don't worry, from now onwards, be regular with us. Fine, Ashutosh? So my dear students, most of you have given the right answer. That means option number C. Well, Sanskriti, Sumati and Sai Chandra, these were the first one to give me the correct answer. So just bug up your speed, and I just want that all of you should give me the right answer on the same time. Clear, dear students? Okay. So my dear students, I believe that you are liking the sessions. Well, it's actually been seen on the chat box that how much you are engaging with giving the answers. Okay, my dear students, well, if you like the session, I would say hit the like buttons, share the channel and subscribe the channel as well. Okay. Moreover, do not forget to attempt the mock test. The link of the mock test is given in the description box. Clear, dear students? So I would say again, how is the Josh? Well, it's been seen that your Josh is already high. So my dear students, I'm now moving on to the next question. Here's the next question on the screen for all of you. Match the following items in column 1 with the corresponding items in column 2. I believe for this also most of you will give me the right answer. I'm just waiting for your replies. Okay, thank you so much. I know your Josh is very high. So my dear students, Sanskriti has said, ma'am, C is the option. Okay, Sanskriti, I believe you are fast today also in giving the answer. Very good, Sanskriti, keep it up. Okay, Prajati has said C is the answer. Utkarsh has said C is the answer. Raj is saying C is the answer. Ayush is saying C is the answer. Hardik Jain is also saying C is the answer. So most of you have said me that C is the right answer. Yes, C is the right answer. So my dear students, well, if I discuss about all of these, I would say if I talk about Na2CO3, Na2CO3.10H2O. Okay, so my dear students, for this I would say Solvay's process. See, Solvay's process, it is an industrial process for obtaining sodium carbonate. Okay, Solvay's process is an industrial process for obtaining sodium carbonate from calcium carbonate, ammonia and brine. That means NaCl. So first we'll actually go with C. Okay, first we'll go with C. If I talk about magnesium hydrogen carbonate, I would say it's been used to remove the temporary hardness. Okay, I mean to say temporary hardness is because of this particular magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Clear, dear students? Talking about NaOH, I would say this NaOH will go with Caster-Kellner process. Okay. So what is Caster-Kellner process? It is a method of electrolysis of an aqueous alkali chloride. Okay. So if I talk about Caster-Kellner process, I would say it is the method of electrolysis. Method of electrolysis of an aqueous alkali chloride, aqueous alkali chloride solution to produce corresponding alkali hydroxide. Clear, dear students? I believe you have got this particular thing. And if I talk about Ca3Al2O6, it is one of the ingredient in Portland cement. Clear? So if I just go with these matches, first with C, second with D, third with B and fourth with A, option number C is the right answer. And all of you have given the right answer, that means C. Clear, dear students? I am really happy to see your performance, to see how much you are taking into the things seriously and you are really working hard. You are utilizing this lockdown period to the most of it. So really good. Yes, Kamal, you have given the right answer, C. Okay. So my dear students, how is the Josh? I believe the Josh is very high and all of you are full of energy. Thank you so much for showing this much of energy and being with me. It's really a good motivation, a high motivation for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your efforts and I'm really happy that you all are with me. Okay, my dear students, now here goes the next question. But yes, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. And yes, do not forget to attempt the mock test, and the link of the mock test, as you all know, it has been given in the description box. So students, moving on to the next question. Here's the next question on the screen for all of you guys. So the ore that contains the metal in the form of fluoride is. So my dear students, as you can see, आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह के question इस particular chapter से पूछे जाते हैं. Okay, dear students, Sai Shekhar has said option number D is the right answer. Anu has said A is the answer, and most of you, Sai Chandra, Sanskriti Mishra, Raj Verma, Ayush, Deepa, Shreya Satpati, Hardik, you are saying D. Well, all of you are saying A. Okay, Utkarsh has said cryolite, Sumati has said D. So I'm getting A and D, both type of the answers over here, and the question is asking the ore that contains the metal in the form of fluoride. The ore that contains the metal in the form of fluoride is what? So most of you have given the answer A. The answer A is the right answer. So I was saying that JEE and NEET, they both ask such type of the question from this particular chapter. Clear? So it's a very scoring chapter. I believe that most of you will not leave this particular chapter. You have to just memorize the things. Okay, specifically attempt the question. You will get to know how different type of the questions are been asked from this chapter. Okay, so I am getting A and D is the answer, and somebody has said C is also the answer. So my dear students, just let me tell you one thing. If I go with cryolite, okay, so I'm going with, first of all, with cryolite, and the formula of cryolite is Na3Alf6. Okay, talking about malachite green, so it is CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. Talking about magnetite ore, it's a very famous ore of iron, you all know, magnetite and hematite, so it is Fe3O4. If I talk about sphalerite, the formula would be ZNS. Okay, so you can say sphalerite also, or you can say zinc blend. Clear, dear students? Am I clear to each and everyone? So according to it, option number A, cryolite, it contains the metal in the form of fluoride, F. Fluoride means F. So option number A would be the right answer. Option number A would be the right answer. Yes, Hardik, you were wrong this time, so not to worry about it. Clear? I believe that most of you have given the right answer. Yes, Brotity, you said A as the right answer. So my dear students, really good. I appreciate you, and I'm really happy to see your improvement in the performance for this session also, and for the mock test you are attempting. Really very good. Keep it up. Okay, dear students. So without delaying much, I'm moving on to the next question, and here goes the next question on the screen for all of you. The one that is extensively used as piezoelectric material is tridymite, amorphous silica, quartz or mica. So Murli Krishnan Tumu has said A is the answer. Okay, Sanskriti has said C is the answer. Ayushi Agarwal has said C is the answer. Kuber Hulati has said C is the answer. You are the you are actually the three of you have given the right answer. So you are the first ones to give me the right answer. Brotity is saying C is the answer. Yes. So option number C is the right answer. See, my dear students, you all know what is actually an ore. What do you mean by an ore? Mineral from which a metal can be profitably and easily extracted out. Okay. So what is an ore? Mineral from which a metal can be profitably and easily extracted. Clear? If I talk about piezoelectric materials, so what is piezoelectric material? It is those materials, I would say piezoelectric material are those that produce electric current, when they are placed under mechanical stress. Mechanical stress. Clear? So according to it, I would say quartz. The extensively used piezoelectric material is quartz, and most of you were right. Most of you were right. Okay, dear students. So yes, Venugopal, I believe that you were the fourth one. So really good. Raj Badani saying, ma'am, I was the fourth. So over here, there is a competition going on that I was first, I was second, I was third, I was fourth, like this. Good. There should be a healthy competition among all of you guys. Okay, dear students? Yes, yes. Keep the good work up, and you are really doing great job by giving me the right answer. So I believe this is the first session of all the sessions I have taken till now that most of you are giving me the right answer. Really. Back up? Yes. Hi is the Josh, ma'am. Yes. Good. Keep it up. Now talking about the next question, and here's the next question for all of you. The ore that contains both iron and copper is the ore that contains both iron and copper. I believe most of you will give me the right answer. Dino Reggie has said, ma'am, A is the right answer. Prabhudatta has said A is the right answer. Then Ayushi has said A is the answer. So you are the first three ones to give me the right answer. See, I'm not taking much time in this particular session because I know most of you will give me the right answer. And yes, all of you have given me the right answer. So here goes the formulas of the ore. So if I talk about copper pyrite, okay, so what's the formula of copper pyrite? You all know. Copper pyrite. Okay, it is CuFeS2. My dear students, I just want to request you one thing, that see, you all are at your homes, and I would say just speak along with me. So just say like that: copper pyrite means CuFeS2, malachite means CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. So just speak there at your home. Nobody is going to say anything. So be along with me. Just speak the answers along with me at your homes, because it will actually create a good aroma, I would say good positivity, and you all will learn the same. Clear, my dear students? So if I talk about malachite, so what's the formula of malachite? Just speak along with me. CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. Okay. If I talk about azurite, what's the formula of azurite? It is twice of CuCO3.CuOH whole twice. If I talk about dolomite, what's the formula of dolomite? MgCO3.CaCO3. Clear? So according to it, if I go with the formulas, I would say option number A is the right answer. That means copper pyrite. Okay, my dear students, thank you so much, Harshit, for your comment that my handwriting is very good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, is NCERT enough for this chapter? Yes, I would say NCERT is enough, but yes, for the formulas of the ores, I would say just take some reference book. Okay, just take some reference book. The ore that contains both iron and copper. So this is iron, Fe, and Cu is the copper, and hence copper pyrite is the right answer. Okay, my dear student, I believe, yes, Parth, Josh is high. Yes, it should always be high, and you should always be energetic. Sahil says A. Yes, you all have given me the right answer. Yeah, Mohammed, you are saying I was the first one to give the right answer. It's easy. Next question. So yes, Rajvardhan, here goes the next question. But my dear students, do not forget to attempt the mock test, and whose link is given in the description box. Well, subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Sanskriti has said, ma'am, A. A is the right answer for this particular question. The correct statement is what? See, aniline is a froth stabilizer, zincite is a carbonate ore. Then sodium cyanide cannot be used in metallurgy of silver. Zone refining process cannot be used for the refining of titanium. Most of you have said that, ma'am, A is the right answer. So yes, my dear students, A is the right answer. I believe Sanskriti is the first one to give me the right answer. Sahil Singh, Sanskrit is the first one to give me the right answer for this particular question. Then I would say Rajvardhan and then Ashwit Shikhar. You are the first three ones to give me the right answer. Well, Shreya, you are the fourth one to give me the right answer. So aniline is a froth stabilizer. It is a correct statement. See, in froth flotation process, we use cresols. If I talk about froth flotation process, froth flotation process. So in froth flotation process, you all know that cresols or aniline, okay, they are used to stabilize form. They are used to stabilize form, or you can say froth, okay, and enhance the non-wettability of mineral particles. Okay, so they stabilize the form and enhance the non-wettability of mineral particles. If I talk about zinc-side, so if I talk about the formula of zinc side, so the formula of zinc side is actually ZnO. So it is not a carbonate O, it's a wrong statement. If I talk about sodium cyanide cannot be used in the metallurgy of the silver. So my dear students, we use silver cyanide in the metallurgy of the silver. See, there is a reaction if I say Ag2S plus NaCN, and they give us twice of Na AgCN2 plus Na2S. So this type of reaction happens in the metallurgy of silver. So sodium cyanide cannot, it is wrong because sodium cyanide is used in metallurgy of the silver. So it is the wrong statement. Zone refining process cannot be used for the refining of titanium. It is also wrong because we can use zone refining for the process of refining of titanium. So option number A is the right answer, and most of you have given option number A as the right answer. Yes, Rajvardhan, this was the easy question, so need not to worry. Such type of the questions are been asked in your examination, so need not to worry. So here goes the next question on the screen for all of you. The idea of froth flotation method came from a person X, and this method is related to the process Y of ores. X and Y respectively are. It's again an easy question. I believe that most of you will give me the right answer. Sanskriti has said, ma'am, A is the right answer. Then Sumati has said A is the right answer. Kudiya Kalyan has also said A. Parth has said A. Most of you are giving me the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option number A. See, why we use froth flotation method, you all know this method is employed to purify or concentrate sulfide ores. Okay, so with the help of froth flotation process, what actually we do? There is purification, or you can say concentration. Purification or concentration of sulfide ores. Clear, dear students? Okay, now based on different wetting characteristics of the gangue and the sulfide ore with water and oil. So this particular method is actually based on the different wetting characteristics of the gangue and the sulfide ore with water and oil. More importantly, gangue preferentially is wetted by water and the ore is by oil. So I would say if I talk about the the method related to the process Y, it is concentration, and the person from where the method came was washerwoman. Okay, so option number A is the right answer. Most of you have given the right answer. Okay, dear student. Krishnaveni saying, ma'am, I was the second one. Okay. So not to worry, yes, all of you have given the right answer for this particular question. So my dear students, I believe that you are actually feeling this particular session, the light session, because over here most of the questions you are giving to me, most of the solutions for the questions you are giving to me is right. And here goes the next question on the screen for all of you. The reaction that does not define calcination. The reaction that does not define calcination is what? So my dear students, again I would remind you one thing: do not forget to attempt the mock test, and the link of the mock test is given in the description box. Well, if you like the session, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, and share these sessions with your friends, to the known ones, to your friends, okay, so that they can also get the advantage of learning from these sessions. So most of you are saying that, ma'am, option number B is the right answer. Yes, option number B is the right answer, because if I talk about calcination, so calcination is a process. What is the process? Calcination, conversion of hydrated oxides, carbonates, basic carbonates, and hydroxide ores to their oxides by heating in absence of oxygen below their melting point. Okay, so calcination makes the oxide porous, thus increasing the surface area. So if I talk about zinc carbonate, okay, so it will undergo this calcination process. That means it will be heated in absence of oxygen, and there would be formation of ZNO plus CO2. Similarly, if I talk about the hydrated oxide Fe2O3.XH2O, when it's been heated in absence of air, we actually get Fe2O3 plus H2O, XH2O. Clear? So if I just see, there is only option number B where there is actually usage of oxygen. Okay, and in calcination there is absence of oxygen while heating, so option number B is the right answer. And Anuragesh, Subhashini, Sanskriti, Teja, Javedi, and Sumati, you were the first one who actually gave me the answer right at 11:30. So you were the first ones who gave me the right answer of this particular question. Okay. So my dear students, shall I move on to the next question? So here is the next question in front of you. So my dear students, yes, there is the next question on the screen for all of you. It's a very easy question. The purest form of commercial iron is. It's a very easy question. Okay, I have moved Ashutosh. This question is in the front of you, and most of you will say I know. Yes, most of you. Shreya, Sanskriti, Tej, Javedi, Sumati, you were the first ones to give me the right answer, and option number A is the right answer, that the purest form of commercial iron is wrought iron. Option number A is the right answer. So if I talk about three types of the iron which we actually get: cast iron. If I talk about cast iron, I would say it is the most impure. Cast iron is the most impure form containing carbon from 2.5 to 5%. Okay, and if I talk about wrought iron, I would say it is the purest form of iron, and it contains carbon from 0.25% to 0.3%. Clear? And if I talk about only steel, I would say it's the most important commercial variety of iron containing carbon from 0.25 to 2%. Clear? So answer is A for this particular question. Okay, dear students, so such type of the questions actually is been asked. No, Somrik, I actually is getting your messages, your answers. Well, see, there are many students, so I can just take the name of few of you. But don't worry, I'll be taking the names one by one of all of them. But see, it becomes very difficult to take the names. So for me, you all of the students over here, you all are winner, and yes, you have given the right answer. Clear, dear students? So moving on to the next question, but before that, I want to make you one thing remind that do not forget to attempt the mock test, and the link of the mock test is given in the description box. So I don't know why, Raj, why are you leaving? People over here are rude to here. Need not to worry. See, all people are different over here, so need not to worry. So I would just say there are many more questions from which you can learn. And say the most important part of this chapter is Ellingham diagram. So over here, I am giving you the first question of the Ellingham diagram, and it's really very important, and it's really very important, so don't miss out. Okay, Rajvardhan, I hope that you are listening to me. Do not move out of the session, because now there are two questions and important questions from the Ellingham diagram which the JEE or NEET they both ask about. Clear? So the question is, with respect to an ore, Ellingham diagram helps to predict the feasibility of X. So most of you have given me the right answer, B as the right answer. Yes, B is the right answer, but somebody is saying that A is also the right answer. Well, I'll make you the thing clear about this particular Ellingham things. See, in Ellingham diagram, we basically discuss about the reduction thing. That means thermal reduction thing. So in Ellingham diagram, what happens? There is a plot. There is a plot between delta G for the formation of oxides, sulfides and halides versus temperature. Okay, so actually if whenever we talk about Ellingham diagram, we'll talk about thermal reduction. Therefore option number B is the right. Over here in Ellingham diagram, the plot is between the Gibbs free energy for the formation of oxides, sulfides and halides versus temperature. Am I clear to each and everyone over here? Okay, so most importantly, all the graphs they shows positive slopes. All the graphs of the Ellingham diagram, they show me the positive slopes, okay, showing decrease of entropy except for the formation of CO gas from coke, that shows increase in the entropy with increase in the temperature. Clear, dear students? So option number B is the right answer. Lowermost graph means feasibility to reduce. Yes, okay, you all are correct. Backup is saying okay. Okay. Oh my dear students, not to worry about it. Okay, thank you Ayush, thank you so much. And some more questions are there, need not to worry. And here goes the second question of the Ellingham diagram. See, such type of the questions are being asked, and Ellingham diagram is one of the most important topic from this particular chapter. Clear? Yeah, only few questions are left, need not to worry. So here goes the second question, and Prabhu Datta has said me option number B as the right answer. Okay, Prabhu Datta, I'll look into your answer, but I want some more answers. Prabhu Datta has said option number B is the right answer. Okay, backup, please stop doing unnecessary chat. Please stop doing the chats. It actually is if somebody is getting irritated, so we did not to do that. So Rajvardhan has said C is the answer. Nirmit has said B is the answer. Ashwin Shikhar has said C is the answer. Shreya has said C is the answer. I'm getting all sorts of the answers. I'm getting A answer, B answer, C answer. So I'm getting all sorts of the answer. But most of you are moving on the side of C. Most of you have voted for C. Okay, my dear students, now here comes my explanation to all of you. एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं, एलिंघम डायग्राम की एक खासियत ये है कि देखिए जिस पर्टिकुलर मेटल ऑक्साइड का कर्व नीचे होगा, ओके, जिस पर्टिकुलर मेटल ऑक्साइड का कर्व नीचे की तरफ होगा, दैट वुड बी केपेबल ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग द मेटल ऑक्साइड विच इज अबव इट. मेरे यहाँ पर कहने का मतलब बहुत छोटा सा मतलब है. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू क्लियर वन थिंग फ्रॉम हेयर. अगेन आई विल से जिसका डेल्टा जी की वैल्यू कम होती है, जिसकी डेल्टा जी की वैल्यू कम होती है, बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा, जिसकी डेल्टा जी की वैल्यू कम होती है वो अपने से ज्यादा वाले ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस करता है। सपोज मैं यहाँ एल्यूमिनियम की बात करती हूँ और जिंक की बात करती हूँ, क्लियर है? तो यहाँ पर अगर मैं एल्यूमिनियम की बात कर रही हूँ, सो देखिए डेल्टा जी की जो वैल्यू है एल्यूमिनियम के लिए वो कम है, लेकिन जिंक के लिए देखा जाए तो वो ज्यादा है। सो एल्यूमिनियम जो है वो जिंक ऑक्साइड को बहुत आराम से रिड्यूस कर सकता है, क्लियर है? सो अगेन आई विल से, जिसकी डेल्टा जी की वैल्यू कम होती है वो अपने से ज्यादा वैल्यू वाले ऑक्साइड को रिड्यूस कर देता है। और मैं आपको एक और बता दूं, एलिंगम डायग्राम जो ग्राफ्स हम प्लॉट करते हैं, दे आर बिटवीन द formation of oxides, sulfides and halides versus temperature. Clear? Moreover, the plots of gives free energy for the formation of metal oxide. If I talk about per mole of oxygen versus temperature, they are useful in deciding the reducing agent. So अगर मैं बात करूँ reducing agent की, तो यहाँ पर एल्यूमिनियम एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट बिहेव करेगा। ओके, सो याद रखिएगा, जैसे ऑप्शन नंबर ए को देखते हैं, एट 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस कोक कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक फ्रॉम जिंक ऑक्साइड। अब देखिए कोक मैं देखती हूँ 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे, सो वी आर लुकिंग ऑन 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे आप देखिए कि जो हमारा कोक का जो हमारा स्लोप आ रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट कैन यू टेल मी? जो स्लोप हमारा कोक का आ रहा है वो नेगेटिव स्लोप आ रहा है, क्लियर है ये वाली चीज? अब बात करते हैं जिंक की। जिंक का स्लोप आप देख सकते हैं पॉजिटिव है, लेकिन इनके स्लोप में डिफरेंस देखिए, ठीक है? जिंक का स्लोप नीचे की तरफ है और कोक का स्लोप ऊपर की तरफ है, क्लियर है? एट 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस में बात कर रही हूं। सो कोक कैनॉट यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक फ्रॉम जिंक ऑक्साइड। Instead of it, zinc can be used for the reduction of carbon monoxide CO. ठीक है, उल्टा होगा, ये उल्टा होगा। सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए रॉन्ग हो गया है। इफ आई टॉक अबाउट ऑप्शन नंबर बी, एट 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो इट वुड बी बिटवीन 800 एंड 2000 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सपोज कीजिए यहां पर है, तो 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे दे आर सेइंग कि एल्यूमिनियम कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक फ्रॉम जिंक ऑक्साइड। यस, क्योंकि देखिए 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे देखिए जो मेरा स्लोप आ रहा है एल्यूमिनियम का वो इस डायरेक्शन में है और जिंक का इस डायरेक्शन में है। तो किसका स्लोप नीचे की तरफ है? एल्यूमिनियम का नीचे की तरफ है। एल्यूमिनियम की जो वैल्यू है डेल्टा जी की वो कम है इन कंपैरिजन टू जिंक, इसीलिए 1400 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे एल्यूमिनियम को हम यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक फ्रॉम जिंक ऑक्साइड। ये बिल्कुल सही है। एट ऑप्शन नंबर सी को भी देखते हैं, एट 800 डिग्री सेल्सियस, मतलब मैं इस वाले टेम्परेचर की बात कर रही हूं कि जो कॉपर है जिसका स्लोप देखिए सबसे ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, ठीक है? इट कैन बी यूज फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जिंक फ्रॉम जिंक ऑक्साइड। नहीं, उल्टा होगा, जिंक कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर ऑक्साइड, ठीक है? तो ये हमारा गलत हो गया। बात करते हैं डी ऑप्शन की कि कोक कैनॉट बी यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर ऑक्साइड। ये भी गलत है क्योंकि कोक का जो स्लोप है वो नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है और कॉपर उससे ऊपर की तरफ में है, ठीक है डियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, सो हम कह सकते हैं कि कोक कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर द एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ कॉपर फ्रॉम कॉपर ऑक्साइड। सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी भी रॉन्ग हो गया, ओनली ऑप्शन नंबर बी सही है। ओनली ऑप्शन नंबर बी सही है। आई बिलीव दैट मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव गिवन मी द राइट आंसर। Okay, so option number B is the right answer. Okay, my dear students. So my dear students, how is the Josh among all of you? I hope that you all are very energetic and the Josh is very, very high. Yes, dear students. So how you like this session? I just want some answers and the good things from you, that how you like the session. If you like the session, hit the like button. And yes, subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. Moreover, do not forget to attempt the mock test, and the link of the mock test is given in the description box. Okay, dear students, thank you so much. So my dear students, here goes the next question in front of you. Among the reactions A to D, the reactions that does or does not occur. The reactions that does or do not occur in the blast furnace during the extraction of iron is? Okay, so just tell me, blast furnace में कौन से reactions occur नहीं होते हैं? 4 options are given to you and I want the right answer. I want the right answer. Blast furnace में during the extraction of iron कौन से reactions occur नहीं होते हैं? Let me know about the right answer. Most of you have said, ma'am, A is the right answer. I believe that if somebody is saying A is the right answer, that person haven't studied this particular extraction of iron. Because oh my god, okay, I got confused. Yes, my dear student, A is the right answer. Option number A is the right answer. I'm really sorry. Option number A is the right answer. I got confused. I'm really sorry. Option number A is the right answer. That means C and D reactions are the reactions that actually do not. Combustion zone, blast furnace में 4 types के zone होते हैं. Combustion zone, okay. Then we talk about reduction zone. Okay. Then we talk about slag formation zone. Okay. And the D is zone of fusion. ये 4 तरह के जोन होते हैं. क्लियर है? अब अगर मैं कंबशन जोन का टेम्परेचर बताऊं तो इट इज नियर अबाउट 1500 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 1600 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये कंबशन जोन का टेम्परेचर रहता है. इसमें कंबशन होता है. क्लियर है? जैसे कार्बन प्लस O2 इट गिव्स अस CO2 and CO2 it again reacts with the coke and there is formation of carbon monoxide. Clear? Now reduction zone में क्या होता है? CO2. Okay, such type of the reaction. Moreover, FeO plus CO it gives me Fe, the sponge iron plus CO2. क्लियर है डियर स्टूडेंट्स? अगर मैं बात करती हूँ स्लैग फॉर्मेशन की, जो कि एक सेंट्रल जोन है और इसका जो टेम्परेचर होता है इट इज नियर अबाउट 800 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये बात आप सभी को पता है. सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट इट गेट डिकम्पोज्ड इनटू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस CO2. नाउ दिस कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड इज फ्लक्स, okay, and it reacts with SiO2. This flux reacts with silica and there is formation of CaSiO3. तो ये रिएक्शन होता है. ये हमारा एक स्लैग फॉर्मेशन हो गया है. क्लियर है? अगर मैं जोन ऑफ फ्यूजन की बात करती हूं तो इसका टेम्परेचर 1200 डिग्री सेल्सियस से लेके 1500 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच में होता है. यहां पर स्पॉन्ज आयरन मेल्ट हो जाता है एट 1300 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड इट गेट्स कलेक्टेड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द हार्ट. Slag being lighter, it floats over the molten iron and prevents oxidation of molten metal. So यहाँ पर ये 2 जो reactions हैं C and D, ये reactions नहीं होते हैं. इसीलिए option number A बिल्कुल correct है. Most of you have given the correct answer. Mansa Gauthami has said A. Yeah, it's A is the answer. Somebody has said B. B is not the answer. Only A is the answer. I believe the explanation has been clear to each and everyone, and I hope that you will be learning this particular extraction of iron, specifically about the blast furnace thing, by your heart, because the question do come from this particular part. It is an important concept. It is an important topic of this particular chapter. Okay, dear students? So my dear students, without wasting time, I'm moving on to the next question. Okay, so this is the second last question of the session. It's a very easy question, I believe. I hope that most of you will give me the right answer of this particular question. So I'm waiting for the answers. Match the refining methods with the metal, liquefaction, zone refining, Monge process, Van Arkel method. So okay, you know my name, Rajvardhan. That's good if you know my name. So most of you have given me C as the right answer. Okay, I'll just check into it that which is actually the right answer. So you are saying that, ma'am, C is the right answer. All of you are saying that C is the right answer. So here goes my explanation for all of you. Shreya, Sanskriti, Latika, Hardik, Sai Chandra, Utkarsh, Pad, Deepa Joshi, Ratan Lal, Amit Sharma, all of you are saying that C is the right answer. But Ashwini has said that B is the right answer. So let me check into it. बट उससे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं व्हाट इज लिक्वेशन प्रोसेस. क्या आप सभी को पता है लिक्वेशन प्रोसेस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज लिक्वेशन प्रोसेस? ठीक है, लिक्वेशन प्रोसेस के अंदर व्हाट वी डू, दिस इज अ मेथड इन विच इम्प्योरिटीज, जहां पर इम्प्योरिटीज का जो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होता है वो हाई होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू मेटल. सो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज इज ग्रेटर देन मेटल. सो ये मेथड हम कब यूज करते हैं? इस मेथड को हम तभी यूज करते हैं जब मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इम्प्योरिटीज का ज्यादा होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू मेटल. सो व्हाट वी डू, देयर इज दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ अ थिंग वी एक्चुअली टेक फॉर द लिक्वेशन प्रोसेस. यहां पर हम अपना इम्प्योर मेटल रख देते हैं एंड वी एक्चुअली देन बर्न इट. हम यहाँ पर इसको बर्न करने लग जाते हैं, इस पर्टिकुलर मेटल को स्लाइटली हम इसको हीट प्रोवाइड करने लग जाते हैं. हम यहाँ पर स्लाइटली हीट प्रोवाइड करने लग जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल एक्चुअली हैपन, लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली. द इम्प्योर मेटल is placed on the sloping hearth of a furnace and gently heated. The metal melts and flows down, leaving behind the impurities. क्योंकि impurities का melting point ज्यादा होता है तो impurities रह जाती हैं. And this method is used in purification of SN, PB and BI etc. Okay, so liquefaction के लिए I would say C would be the right answer. Talking about zone refining, if I just move on to the zone refining, हम zone refining method को fractional distillation भी कह सकते हैं. zone refining को हम क्या और कह सकते हैं? fractional distillation method भी कह सकते हैं. fractional distillation method भी कह सकते हैं. क्लियर है? ये बात याद रखिएगा. अब जोन रिफाइनिंग मेथड हम कब यूज करते हैं? सो दिस मेथड इज एम्प्लॉयड टू गेट मेटल्स ऑफ वेरी हाई प्योरिटी. दैट मीन्स ये मेथड हम सपोज जर्मेनियम, सिलिकॉन, बोरोन, गैलियम, इंडियम. क्लियर डियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस मेथड इज एम्प्लॉयड टू गेट मेटल्स ऑफ वेरी हाई प्योरिटी and I have given you the examples of the metals also. Basically this method is based on the difference in solubility of impurities in molten and solid state of the metal. तो zone refining के according अगर देखा जाए, so second will be matching with D. Mond's process is a very easy process. This method is employed for purification of nickel. So third will go with B. If I talk about Van Arkel method, I would say this method is employed to obtain ultra pure metals. Okay, so I would say Van Arkel method has been used for the purification of this zirconium. Clear? So zirconium, vanadium and silicon, these all types of the metals are been refined from Van Arkel method. So according to it, first matches with C, second matches with D, third matches with B and fourth matches with A. So option number C is the right answer. I will specifically mention Sanskriti Mishra again. Today she has solved all questions with good accuracy and great speed. And she is closely followed by Sumati, Bratati, Amit and Shreya. That's very great students. Keep up the good work. Clear my dear students? So I believe that this is a kind of motivation for all the students that you all are solving the questions in a good manner. Clear dear students? So yeah, one more thing I want to say, that tomorrow we shall be discussing some very important question from the chapter. As you all know, it might be known to each and everyone over here. So yes, I would say be prepared for tomorrow's class. And over here I'm going with the last question of the session. The Mons process is used for the. So my dear student, this particular answer you all know. So answer to this particular thing you all know because I have already discussed in the previous question. Yes, option number A is the right answer. Purification of nickel has been actually done by the Mons process only. Clear dear students? I believe that yes. Great, you all have given me the right answer. See, about the next chapter, if I just say, You can just watch onto the schedule. It has been mentioned on the site, career site, the schedule of tomorrow's chapter. Well, my dear students, it was a great time today with all of you, because all of you have given me the right answers of the questions being discussed over here. I'm really happy and excited. Even I'm feeling very much motivated and energetic also, so that I can come up with the new and good questions for the next chapter. Okay, dear students. So for the tomorrow's chapter, you can just see on the schedule thing. You'll get there. And now it's the turn that without going somewhere else, you have to click on the link given below in the description box for the mock test. So don't go anywhere. You have to attempt the mock test. I'll be asking your scores tomorrow sharply at 11 a.m. before I start the session of hydrogen tomorrow. Clear? So next chapter tomorrow would be hydrogen. I'll be discussing important questions of the hydrogen chapter. It's a good chapter, easy chapter. And yes, if you have liked the session, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Because it would be good for those students who have not actually been attending these sessions. It would be very much good and benefiting to all of them. So my request would be, share these sessions as much as you can with your friends. Okay, my dear students, I'm now signing off now. Take care, goodbye, stay safe at your home. Clear? So bye-bye. Bye-bye, dear students. We'll be meeting you soon tomorrow sharply at 11 a.m. in the morning. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your appreciation. Bye, dear students. Bye-bye.